Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and I want to share with you my Hamilton Beach Belgian waffle maker. This is something that's a lot of fun for our family. Whenever I'm making waffles, the kids get so excited. I specifically searched out a waffle maker that had ceramic plates, and also plates that you could remove them easily, and that's exactly what this had. I will show you how this works. You can see that it doesn't take up too much space on the counter. It's just about 6 inches in width. The light is green, so we're ready to make waffles. So this is the outcome on the minimum level. Came out nice. How about we see how the dark comes out? Okay, so let's switch our setting here to number 3. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes and it's ready now. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and look at this. Let's look at this non-stick. Comes right off. So this is all cooled down now and we can just remove the plates. This is a feature I love about this. So you just click onto this and you pull it out. It's as easy as that. And for the top one, you can see the arrows going up. And look how easy this is. Boop. And watch how easy it is to put back in. It's got 2 little slots there, and then you just pop that back. It fits right in there, and then you just plop it down, and it's in. So my family and I love this Belgian waffle maker. It's something that we really have been making some fun memories with, and I think that you're gonna love it too. But that's just my point of view.